Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. Today we're going to make the ultimate office chair. We're going to take parts from this chair, a couple parts from this chair, smash them together and make a Frankenstein, and it should be pretty good. First thing to do is take them both apart. Now the weirdest thing about this chair, and one of the main reasons I want to change it, is this base. It's super weird. I've never seen anything like this. It's fine, it's stable, but then when you try and slide, doesn't matter what direction, the wheels spin. That is so weird, and that action gives a lot of resistance to you moving, and so it feels sticky and not smooth at all. If you know why it does that, let me know. These chairs are held together with just a couple screws. And they're usually behind caps or some other hidden feature. And 99% of the time, they are hex screws, which you take out with an Allen key or an Allen wrench, whatever you want to call it. The screw that hooks the arm to the backrest is probably under this piece of plastic. Yeah, so there's two more there under that plastic. Like I said, they're sometimes hidden. Now we have all our pieces. We can start deciding what we want to incorporate into our new chair. We're going to see what fits, see what doesn't, kind of play around. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to reupholster this one, add some foam to it, because this sucker is real uncomfortable. You can feel every single one of these sections, and it's really bad. But I really like this back, and this back fits on these new arms because the old arms are totally broken. See, this thing is broken like 5 or 6 times. I've glued it and repaired it, and it keeps breaking. So I can't use those. So we'll use the old wheels, the new base, because that actually works, the old back, the new arms, and the new bottom, but reupholstered, I think. And then with what's left, we'll put another chair together, and that'll be the kids' chair. So that's the cushion done. I wasn't able to use the other back that I wanted to because the holes that hook into the armrest were just a little bit off, not quite perfect. So unfortunately that didn't work, but this is comfortable enough. I also wanted to put this matte fabric on the armrest, but I cannot figure out how to get these things off of here. I broke this one because I thought that it would just click in like a car panel or something. But there's screws all the way along it, and there's no way to unscrew it. I don't know how they put it together. Can't figure it out. So it's just gonna stay black leather, which is fine because it matches the backrest. Okay, seeing it on the camera, it looks really stupid. Like my chair has a diaper on it. But in real life, I swear, it looks a little bit cooler. It doesn't, I mean, it's like, because this is a map, but the lighting is no good. You can't really see it unless you get it close. I don't know. I think it would have looked really good if we were able to put this back on there, but it wouldn't fit. No, not that back. That's the bottom. The back is right there. But it wouldn't fit. I guess I could make it fit. Then it'd be really hodgepodge. It's just like, I hate this chair so much right now. I don't know what it is about it. I mean, it's like, it's comfortable. It's a chair, right? But I hate it so much. So I'm gonna throw it in the trash. Goodbye.